Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing Brazilian cheese bread or pão de queijo. This recipe got a lot of attention on my social media. Why? Because it works. And today I'm going to show you how to make it step by step. So run to the kitchen and make it today. It's so cheesy, so light, gluten-free, and so simple to make. You can make it all in the blender in seconds, and it's going to be ready in 20 minutes. From start to finish, let me show you how, and let's get started. So I had a lot of cheese leftovers from the holidays, and this is a great recipe where I can use some of the cheeses. I'm going to use fontina, cheddar, Colby jack, and some Parmesan. And you should always use dry cheeses for this recipe. Usually I use mozzarella and Parmesan, but today I have so many leftover cheeses that I'm going to use these 4 cheeses. I'm going to measure a very healthy 1 cup. As you can see, it's loaded. I preheated the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and I'm going to work on the batter. And it's as simple as this. Add 3/4 cup of milk. I'm using whole milk. 1/3 cup of olive oil. Add 1 extra large egg. And this is 75 grams. Try to follow the exact measurements to get the most amazing pão de queijos the first time. You're going to add half a teaspoon of salt. Blend the whole thing for a minute or until everything is well incorporated. Add the tapioca flour, and it has to be tapioca flour. It feels exactly like cornstarch. You're going to add 1 1/3 cup. Mix again using the blender. Use a rubber spatula to make sure nothing is stuck to the bottom of the blender. This is a loose batter and this is how you want it to be. You're going to add the cheese at the end. Turn on the blender for 1 second only just to mix the cheese with the batter. That's it. You're going to stop right there. You're going to grease a mini muffin tin or a mini muffin pan with olive oil. Add the batter, just like so. We're going to add about 1 tablespoon. Fill it to the top, just like so. Finish the whole amount. You're going to bake at 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes depending on your oven. It took 15 minutes in my oven. If you're liking my recipes, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes, and follow me on social media. The links are going to be in the description box below. And I usually leave all the amounts and all the ingredients and the preparation method in the description box as well, so check it out. They're out of the oven. They smell and they look so good. I can't wait to try one. These are so cheesy, crispy on the outside, cheesy on the inside. You are gonna love this recipe. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments box below. And until next time, bon appétit!